Sun in your face, what's up?
Okay, a couple things quickly for this afternoon. It is a gorgeous day. It's supposed to rain the rest of the week.
What?
Okay, so if you guys have been watching the videos, you know we had an issue in Texas.
Oh boy.
Yeah, I'm not getting the winch in there. You're on your own, Dave.
You gotta back up.
Yeah, slip them.
Uh-oh.
Where BaseCamp shut off, where, you know, we were basically just over the rear rack. We were slightly wheelie and boom, it shut off, cut off, end up swamping, coming in through the exhaust. We had to do whole on swamp. It was good to learn the machine, but heck, a few people are having issues with these Gen 3s stalling underwater, XMRs especially. So Canam has been working on it, and we got the new tune. So the purpose of this video is we're taking it right there, and I did a little pre-walk, and it's quite deep, but that's what we want. We want at least over the fenders. We want the thing submerged. So I am so, I got butterflies. I hope everything goes well, but man, it's like, I want that confidence back, because do you guys remember the old videos? That's all we used to ride is deep water, man. We were just like A trail, P trail, everything was just flooded to heck. We had the best times riding deep water. So that's where we want to go with the Gen 3. So huge thank you to Canam for sending that tune. And I will find out as soon as possible when that tune is hitting dealers. And those of you that are having issues, you can get your machine in, you can get your ECU updated, and hopefully this flash solves our deep water issues. So let's go.
He's got butterflies in his tummy. Oh. Ooh, scary.
Ooh, that's deep.
Working out. Ooh, that is a sketchy situation right there.
Holy cow. I definitely would not have tried that before. It's literally the perfect depth. Look at the seat.
Looks inflated.
Put it in reverse. Put it in reverse.
Sketchy. Sounds like it's not even running. Even though it's loud as heck. This guy's like, I lost you. Yeah, he's like, I lost you.
Why didn't I just drive the quad?
I'm not sure. You just wanted to. Oh, see, there's a deep spot.
Oh my god.
You're just testing your wader, though, right?
Right. So far so good. Funny thing, if you're wearing your fin trail jacket, because it goes over top and the water kind of squeezes it, you can like go like deep and you don't get any water down your waders usually.
Look at it, it keeps on moving away from you.
I wonder how much battery it's got.
I don't know. Look at the water. It's like, oh, it's like, oh, hi. Oh, it keeps on breaking. It's like, no, I don't know.
Man, I thought the deep spot would be there. It's here.
Well,
Holy cow. Well, that was pretty good. I'm not going to say my heart wasn't pumping, but that's a good initial first test. Obviously, our goal is I want to go check out P Trail and A Trail, so we definitely want to bring BaseCamp. It's such a beast with those S3 arms. Allows us to run 34-inch assassinators, no rubbing, man, no clutching. The Gen 3 platform is super cool. We just got to get these couple little issues worked out, like the Gen 1s and Gen 2s all had little things. I was hoping there'd be nothing. I was hoping the Gen 3 would come in like the Fury, which it sort of did. Just a couple little issues we got to work through. So, and I'm glad Canam is working towards sort of fixing these little hiccups. So, all in all, that tune seems great. We're obviously going to need some more testing, but this was just a quick little video just to see if we could make it through this sucker. So, as always, we wouldn't be able to do anything with any of this without you guys. We freaking love you guys. We're giving away full pull our Pride and Joy Renegade Mod Shop 1085 Big Bore Renegade. Head over to ostacruiser.com. Every limited edition full pull sticker purchase gets you an automatic entry into the giveaway. And I just want to say a huge thank you for the support. Like I said, it's like really a dream. We're living like a little dream, and it's a huge part thanks to you guys. Hope you liked the video. Hope you got some info out of this. And like I said, I'll keep you updated as soon as I hear that the update is hitting dealers. Boom, you can take your machine in if you're having issues and get that ECU update done. All right, see you next video.
Butterflies.